This is the double treble crochet, known as the triple treble in UK terminology. To begin, we need to make a foundation chain. I've made a sample chain of 4. We need to bring our yarn up to the height of the next stitch. For a double treble, we chain 5. To chain, we yarn over and pull it through the loop. This chain of 5 counts as our first double treble stitch. The 6th chain from the hook is the final stitch from the previous row. So we want to put our next double treble into the 7th stitch along. We yarn over our hook 3 times so that we have 4 loops on the hook. We insert our hook into the 7th stitch along, yarn over and pull through a loop. We now have 5 stitches on our hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. We have 4 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2. We have 3 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. We have 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops. And that's our first double treble crochet. On to the next stitch along. We yarn over 3 times. 4 loops on the hook. Insert our hook into the stitch. Yarn over and pull up a loop. 5 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 2. 4 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2, 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2. On to the next stitch, yarn over 3 times. We have 4 loops on our hook. Insert our hook into the stitch, yarn over and pull it through. We have 5 loops on our hook. Yarn over and pull through 2, 4 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2, 3 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2, 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2. And our first row is complete. To bring our work up to the height of the next row, we need to make a chain of 5. And we turn our work. That chain of 5 counts as our first double treble stitch. So we want to put our next stitch into the 2nd stitch along. From the top you can see these V's, and from the side you can see the gaps between the stitches. This is where we place our stitch. Yarn over 3 times so we have 4 loops on the hook. We insert our hook into the stitch, yarn over and pull it through. 5 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2, 4 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2, 3 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2, 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2. On to the next stitch, yarn over 3 times, 4 loops. Insert our hook into the stitch, yarn over and pull it through, 5 loops. Yarn over and pull through 2, 4 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2, 3 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2, 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2. The final stitch in the row goes into the top of the chain 5 from the previous row. Yarn over 3 times, insert our hook into the stitch, yarn over and pull it through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Our second row is complete. We carry on in the same way, starting each row with a chain of 5. That chain of 5 counting as our first stitch. Into each of the next stitches along, we put in our double treble crochet by yarning over 3 times, inserting our hook into the stitch and pulling up a loop. We then yarn over and pull through 2 loops 4 times. We put the final stitch of each row into the top of the chain 5 from the previous row. Don't forget this step unless you want your work to come out wonky. And there we have our double treble crochet, known as the triple treble in UK terminology.